Fixer Company Plumbing. We are on a tunnel job. We are getting it ready for inspection. It's a 100-foot tunnel. Underneath the slab foundation. There's your back-to-back bathroom. There's your line that goes over to catch the kitchen and the laundry room. We've got 3 tunnel entrances on this job. Walk around the back. There's a giant pile, one of our giant piles of dirt. And then we'll take you around to the other ones. This one's kind of cool. We actually were able to tunnel underneath these pavers because we got lucky and they had concrete under it. So we didn't have to tear up their pavers, which made the customer very happy. This is the tunnel that goes underneath the kitchen. This is where we tied into the existing. Had to bust into that concrete a little bit to tie onto their existing kitchen line. Here's where it goes over to catch the laundry room. Okay. from the old cast iron that came out. And here is the third tunnel entrance. Here's the other side of that. What you just saw in the other tunnel entrance. That way goes to the kitchen. And here's the laundry room. And that's where it goes back in to the first tunnel, where it ties into the main line. Goes all the way back to that first tunnel. So all right, that's it. That's the whole tunnel.